Hi, welcome back. So let's say you're just trying to do it to mix your pictures and the like. Probably you have a restriction on the group you have for your advertisement that you can only upload up to like 5 pictures a day, and you have this crazy idea to upload up to 30 pictures. So you can just do what? Collage the picture by making use of this application. Just click on collage and you select, let's say I've branded this picture and some other pictures like that. Let's say I've branded them. So these are the pictures. You've selected them. You can see now. So I can delete these. Let me delete these also. So let's say I have just these pictures. This is the gallery to select. The delete button is there also. So the layout, how do I want it to look like? How do I want it to look like? You understand? So you can select anything at all. This is collage. So the border also, how do you want it to be spaced? This is for what? This is, you can see, is everything that is moving, and this is for the edge. So how do you want the edge to look like? This is for it. So you can just mark here, and remember, we have gallery to go and select. You have layout, you have the border to adjust the border, you have the canvas, you have the filter, you have the adjust, you have the effect, you have the background, you have the sticker for sticker, you have the text for adding text. So you can just add something like this. You can just add something like this. Let me just put it at the top. At the top. So also you can add your phone number. So let me just use another style for this. Save. So that is your what? That is how to make use of the Inshot application to perform a picture collage. Imagine, so now I can send this to group. I can send 5 different types of this to group, and I've uploaded more up to 30 pictures or even 25 pictures. So you understand what I'm trying to say? So it is very, very simple. It's going to increase your sales. You're trying to showcase the kind of goods you have to people, and you are not going to exceed that 5 pictures that is being is in the rules of the group that you shouldn't exceed. So it's very, very cool. It's very, very cool. And you don't know the kind of item your targeted audience is looking for presently. So using uh this hack, you can actually invite more customers, target a lot of audience, and gain more ground. You understand?